Hi all. So in the previous video we have discussed about Argand plane and representation of the what polar form. So today in this class we will start with what exercise 5.2. So before that so we'll see some basics. So what is that? Z is equals to x plus of iy is the complex number where x comma y belongs to the what R. Okay, these are complex number. So polar form is given by z equals to R into cos theta plus of I into what sin theta, where this R is called as modulus of z and this theta is called as amplitude. So or this is called as argument. So this is called as argument. So in this class we are going to what learn how to find this modulus R and how to find this what amplitude theta. Okay, so so I'm going to give you some shortcut or the trick how to find the what this theta. So if you are having this y-axis, this is what x-axis. Okay, so here if the first quadrant, if the number is lying in the first quadrant, so lying in the first quadrant, then the theta can be written as tan inverse of y divided by x. If the number lie in this quadrant, so we are knowing the symbol sign here, minus comma minus, here minus comma plus, here we can write a plus comma what minus. Okay, if the complex number is lying in this quadrant, therefore theta can be used as minus of tan inverse of y divided by what x. Okay, so if it is lying in this quadrant, then this can be written as pi minus of tan inverse of y divided by what x. So if it is lying in this quadrant, then we can write it as a tan inverse of mod of y divided by x minus of pi. Okay, so this is the way how to find the what theta. So if they are lying in the what respective quadrants. So if you see here in the exercise 5.2, so in the first main they asked the question that find the modulus and argument of each of the complex numbers from exercise 1 and 2. So first question I will take here. So that is the first question. They have given that z is equals to minus 1 minus of I root 3. So if I compare this with the z equals to x plus of iy, okay, therefore x value is equals to minus 1, therefore y value is equals to how much? Minus of root 3. Okay, so that is just you can take a ordered pair, minus 1 comma what minus root 3. Okay, so this is what also called as a respective point I am going to recognize in which quadrant it lies. Okay, before that we will find the what R here. R is nothing but what modulus of z, which is given by x square plus of y square, which is nothing but x square value is how much? Minus 1 square is 1, y square value is minus root 3 square is what? 3. Therefore we'll get here root 4, therefore answer is how much? 2. Since it is under the root, why we take only positive number? Because since this modulus is nothing but the distance between the origin from that respective point. So we got to know here minus minus means which lie in the third quadrant. Therefore third quadrant, what is the formula? Theta is equals to what? Tan inverse of mod of y divided by x. Therefore minus of what? Pi. Okay, therefore tan inverse as it is, this mod of y value is minus root 3 divided by minus 1 minus of pi. So anything under the mod will become positive sign, therefore root 3 minus of 5. So this means when the value of tan is root 3, that is nothing but tan 60 degree, that is nothing but tan of pi by 3 minus of pi. Therefore we can write here pi minus of 3 pi divided by what? 3. Therefore answer is how much will get? Minus of 2 pi by what? 3. Therefore theta value is how much? Therefore theta value is equals to minus of 2 pi by what? 3. Okay, so this is how we are going to use the trick. Let us move on to the next question, which is given by z is equals to minus of root 3 plus of I. Just will compare with this what? Z is equals to x plus of iy. Therefore x value is equals to minus of root 3 and y value is equals to 1. Okay, that will write in the ordered pair root 3 comma 1. Okay, to find the modulus, therefore r is equals to nothing but mod z is equals to under root of what? X square plus of y square. We are having the formula. Therefore x square means minus root 3 whole square, that is nothing but 3. So 1 square is 1, therefore we'll get what? 4. Therefore answer is how much? 2. Okay, now we are interested to what? Find the theta here. Okay, minus comma plus, which lies in the what? Second quadrant. Second quadrant, the formula is pi minus of that is what? Tan inverse of mod of y divided by what? X. Therefore pi as it is minus of tan inverse as it is, y divided by x means 1 divided by root 3, 1 divided by minus root 3. So if it is under mod, everything will become positive. Therefore tan inverse of 1 divided by what? Root 3. So how we are going to find it? Pi minus. So when the value of tan is 1 by root 3, that is nothing but tan 30 degree equals to 1 by root 3. That I will write pi divided by 6. Okay. So how you will get the answer? 6 pi minus a pi is what? 5u, pi divided by what? 6. That is the value of what? Theta. Okay. This is how we are going to find the what? Theta as well as modulus. Okay. Let us move on to the second main. Convert each of the following complex given in the polar form. So we have to express the given numbers in the polar form. So what is the polar form? Polar form, we are knowing it, z is equals to r into cos theta plus of I sin theta. Okay, so what we are necessary here to what find is r we have to find the what? Theta. Okay, so in that first one they have given what? Third question. So here they have given third one. So the complex number is given by 1 minus of I. Just we'll compare this with the what? Standard form x plus iy. Therefore x value is 1 and y value is what? Minus 1. That will write in the ordered pair form. So 1 comma minus 1. First we'll find the what? R here. R is nothing but what? Mod z. Mod z is equals to given by what? X square plus of y square. Therefore we can write it as x square is what? 1 square plus of 1 square. Therefore how much you'll get? Root 2. So here we got the r value. So now we are going to find the what? Theta, which depends upon the quadrant. So here you can see that plus comma minus, which lies in the fourth quadrant. Therefore theta can be given by tan inverse of what? Mod of y by x, which is what? Minus. Okay, therefore theta is equals to minus as it is, that is what? Tan inverse of y by x is nothing but what? Minus 1 by 1. Under mod means everything becomes positive. Therefore tan inverse of what? 1. That you can write here. Tan inverse of 1 means, so pi divided by 4. Therefore theta value is how much? Pi by 4. That will substitute in the standard equation. Z is equals to r. Therefore r value is root 2 plus of into cos theta. Therefore cos theta value is how much? Minus of pi by 4 plus of I into sin as it is. I sin theta value is how much? Again minus pi by 4. Okay, so this is called as what? Polar form. Okay, so if you want to recheck, so how you have to recheck whether you have done correct or not? Just what you have to do is you have to what? Solve all the questions. If you got the correct answer na, then if you got again 1 minus of I na, then your answer is correct. So if I solve it again, if you z is equals to what? Root 2 as it is. So my cos of pi by 4 is cos pi by 4. This minus of pi by 4. Okay, sin minus of I sin of what? Pi by 4. Okay, that you can write here root 2 into cos pi by 4 is value is how much? 1 divided by root 2 minus I as it is. Sin value is again 1 by root 2. Root 2 will get cancelled. Again you are going to arrive at what? 1 minus of I. That means we have done the procedure correct. Okay, we will move on to the next question, which is given by z is equals to minus of 1 plus of what? I. Just you have to compare with standard form x plus iy. Therefore x value is minus 1 and y value is 1. So that you can write in the form of what? Minus 1 comma 1. Okay, so simple. Therefore r can be found by using the formula square root of x square plus of y square, that you can write here. So minus 1 square is 1 plus of 1. Therefore we'll get what? Root 2 here. So minus comma plus, which lies in the second quadrant. Therefore theta can be given by how? Pi minus of tan inverse of y divided by x. Just substitute the value of y and x. So here pi minus of tan inverse of y value is how much? 1 divided by what? Minus 1. Therefore pi minus of, that you can write here tan of 1. So here under mod means that will convert everything to the positive. Pi minus of tan inverse of 1. Tan inverse of 1 is nothing but what? Pi by 4. Therefore you will get here 3 pi by what? 4. So that is nothing but a theta value. Okay, just you substitute r and theta value, that is in the polar form, that we have converted into polar form. Therefore r is equals to how much there? Root 2 into cos theta. Theta value is how much there? 3 pi by 4. So plus of I sine of what? 3 pi by what? 4. Okay, if you solve this again, again you are going to get this minus 1 plus of what? I. So this is how you are to what? Convert the given complex number into the what? Polar form. Okay, so we will move on to the next question. So next question is, next question is minus I plus I. So minus of 1 minus of I, z is equals to, again we have to compare with z is equals to x plus I y. Therefore x value is equals to minus 1 and y value is equals to minus 1. Therefore we can write it as minus 1 comma 1. Therefore r is equals to x square plus of y square. So that is nothing but 1 plus of 1. Therefore we will get what? Root 2. That is what? R value. So theta means it will depend upon the quadrant. Minus comma minus means third quadrant. Therefore theta can be written as tan inverse of mod of y divided by x minus of pi. That you can write here, tan inverse of mod of y by x is nothing but what? Minus 1 comma minus 1. So under mod. So here minus of pi, that is nothing but tan inverse of 1 minus of pi. Tan inverse of 1 is nothing but how much? Pi by 4 minus of pi. Therefore what you will get? So you will get what? Minus 3 pi by what? 4. That is nothing but the what? Theta value. So just you have to substitute in the standard form of the polar. So cos theta plus of I sin theta. So this is called as standard form of the polar form. Therefore z equals to, r value is how much there? Root 2. Therefore cos of theta value is how much there? Minus of 3 pi by 4 plus of I sin of minus of 3 pi by 4. Minus of 3 pi by 4. So this is how we are going to what? Convert the polar form. Okay. So let us see the next question. Next question is z is equals to root 3. So z is equals to minus of 3. So in the previous video I have discussed if it is a purely real number, how to find the r and theta. So if it is x-axis, it is y-axis. Minus 3, 1, 2, minus 3. Minus 3 will lie here. What is the distance from the origin? Therefore r is equals to 3. Therefore what is the angle with the x-axis means this is what? Pi. Therefore theta is equals to what? Pi, 180 degree. Therefore z is equals to r cos theta plus of I sin theta. That is nothing but r value is how much here? 3 into what? Cos of theta value is how much? Pi plus of I sin of what? Pi. Okay. So this is how we are going to what? Find the numbers or polar form of the given real numbers. If it is a purely real, how to find by using shortcuts that I had discussed in previous video. Here also you can see that minus 3 will lie here on the what? X-axis. Therefore distance from the origin is nothing but the modulus. How much is the distance? 3 is the distance. Therefore how much angle it is made with the what? X-axis? Minus x-axis, that is nothing but what? 180 degree. Therefore theta is equals to what? Pi. So that is what easiest way of explanation. Okay. So next question number 7, root 3 plus of I. So root 3 plus of I. So exactly similar way we are going to find it. Root 3 plus of I. Z is equals to root 3 plus of I. Therefore x is equals to what? Root 3 and y is equals to 1 when we compare with x plus of iy. Okay. So root 3 comma 1. Okay, which lies in the first quadrant. Therefore r equals to under root of x square plus of y square. That is nothing but 3 plus of 1. That is nothing but 4. Therefore answer is 2. That is nothing but r is equals to 2. So since it is lying in the what plus na, here minus not, root 3 comma will lie in the first quadrant, therefore theta value will come directly tan inverse of y divided by what, x. Therefore tan inverse of y by x is nothing but what, root 3 comma divided by 1. Therefore tan inverse of what, root 3. Tan inverse of root 3 means tan of 60 degree, that is nothing but what, pi by 3. Therefore theta value, if you substitute in the standard form, what is the standard form, r equals to r cos theta plus of I sin theta, that will substitute what, theta here. Therefore root 3 and cos of value is how much, pi by 3 plus of I sin of what, pi by 3. Okay, next question you see, so simple, they have given z is equals to I, they have given. Okay, so here only I am going to discuss it. Z is equals to I means purely imaginary number. Purely imaginary number means which lie on the y-axis. Okay, so here they have given z is equals to what, I. So which lies on the what, y-axis. I means here it lies at 1. So what is the distance from the origin, 1 unit. Therefore r is equals to 1. So how much is the angle? Angle is nothing but the what, 90 degree. Therefore theta is equals to what, pi by 2. Standard form, r is equals to, r value is how much, 1 into what, cos theta value is how much, so pi by 2 plus of I sin pi by 2. So if you solve this, again you are going to get what answer is I only, that is what, verification. Okay, so this is about what, total complex numbers. So if you want a basics as well as the remaining things, so you can go through my channel. Definitely you are going to get all the videos about this complex number.